Namaste everyone, I am KAVANASHREE VR from first year AIDS. My startup company name is Vogue. Product present name is Jewelry. Product proposed name is Abharan. Mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. No color shading and should make people feel amazing about themselves. Long lasting quality and durability, different shades and colors and impressive designs are some of the empathies that I got from the customers. And comes the define. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is Jewelry, given for ornamental pieces that are worn for personal adornment. Futuristic product name that I would like to give is Abharan, because of properties like no color shading, long lasting durability, quality, and impressive designs. ED8 is some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Permanent color on jewels that we wear and long lasting quality and durability of the jewelry, different shades of the color that give different looks based on the outfits, impressive designs that satisfies the customer's need are some of the features. Here is the prototype stage. The real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. And I request the viewers to this presentation video to comment your opinions to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.